Okay, welcome back to the last and final video where I'm going to talk about bonus offer. Why we want to put in bonus offer. Think of it this way, businesses out there are quite competitive. How you're going to differentiate your business from others? So for example, I am promoting a program. How am I going to differentiate myself with all the other different affiliate marketers that are offering the same program? So I've got to think. So we have to think, what would make someone buy from you versus buying from Chris or John? Why? What is going to be different? I could just buy the same, they're offering the same price, and that is going to be your bonus offer. So what we're doing essentially is raising the value of the core offer. So raising the value of what you're offering. So for example, let's say I'm selling some potato chips and the other guy is selling, Mr. Chris is selling the same potato chip. How am I going to increase my sale? What I'm going to do is maybe attach a little voucher there that they will get 20% off the next purchase. That's like a bonus. So you buy my potato chip, and if you buy Chris, you don't get that 20% offer. But you buy mine, you get 20% offer. So I'm raising the value of this offer, raising the value of the product. And when you're crafting your offer, what you want to do is make sure the likeliness of achievement is there, which means maybe you can offer them live coaching or can give them one-on-one coaching, really depends. And the next criteria I look into is the time delay element, which means you're helping them save time. And lastly, the decreased effort element, which means the least effort to build that business. So these are all very important elements. With this, you differentiate yourself with all the rest of the people because you're able to offer this. This was what I'm offering in my program that I'm promoting. That's how I got 27,000 last. When combining all these elements, the likelihood of somebody buying from you increases too, because you have a bonus offer that differentiates yourself from all the rest of the people out there. And because I was using this, that's how I got up to $27,000 in 3 months. And on the right-hand side, we quickly have a look at what the bonus offer that I am offering, so you can see for yourself. So as you can see, my bonus, we don't give it out to everyone. This is absolutely free. I'm only usually giving out to 10 people. There's not much spot available. And if you join through me, you will get weekly live coaching one-on-one for 60 days. That is the likeliness of achievement element. Also the time delay element, knowing that I'm there to help them all the time. And the second bonus, I'll help you close your first sale, which means I'll come in and help you close the sale and you can watch me live. And this is the decrease of effort, which means less effort for anybody to do anything, and the likeliness of achievement element built into this bonus. And also I've got support for 12 months, which means I'm available on Messenger to answer any marketing questions. This will ensure people that they know the time delay element. It will save them time because they got access to me to ask me any question that they need or for me to help them with their struggles. And also the next bonus I also give is the done for you material that anybody and whoever comes along with me use for themselves, so they can change, they can model after my templates, my funnels, my scripts, my emails, everything that will save them a ton of time and money. And lastly, I allow them to use my bonus for themselves, so there's no copyright or anything. You can just use it. Now, so this concludes our training video for our online blueprint. By offering things that would have helped your audience or yourself to succeed faster is the best way, because everybody is going through the same struggle most of the time. And if you can help them, definitely when I compare you versus another person, of course, I will buy from you because you're offering things that I might need. Now, I hope you got tons of value. This concludes the end of our training video. Thank you very much for joining us. And if you guys have any questions or anything that you might need to be answered, please drop me a comment. Please drop me a post in the group, or please drop me a DM. Definitely happy to help you guys out. Thank you again so much for your time, and I hope this will bring you tons of value. See you in the next training video whenever I put up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, or please join my Facebook group for more live training. See you. Bye.